So this was the toy box we had that was completely wrecked. The children had used it for a seat, and it was cardboard and it had come apart. The sides were coming off. Other sides there, the corners were breaking. But we made it better. We fixed it up. Inside, we've made frames for the inside to stabilize it and screw the cardboard outer to the frame to sturdy it up and make it stronger. Of course, it's heavier now. I'm going to have to change the clasp because it's going to be covered in fabric. It's going to be covered in fabric and tidied up more. And I'm going to use staples, my staple gun, and double-sided cardboard tape to fix it to the box, but I'll show you that when I get a chance to do it. And it's about the only homemaking thing I've been able to do this week between the crafts, the garden, and all sorts of other things I've had to do. However, I did get to make some pancakes this morning. Let me show you those. Nice, big, fluffy vegan pancakes. So that is the total sum of my homemaking this week. Hubby helped me with the toy box. That's not finished. So, oh, Buttons is saying good morning to Darren because he's just come down. Listen to her. Oh, the house is a mess. I mean, I have been cleaning. Dishes have been done, just not put away. But I'm just focusing on doing the little bits of the homemaking that I can to get things done and sorting out all the seeds. This is such a busy time in the garden. And I'm also doing all the crafting, painting. Darren's already made them. I need to paint them, so it's going to take a while. And doing little bits in between with a short space of time I have. So that is it. I'd like to finish on that beautiful pile of vegan homemade pancakes with stewed up apples and cinnamon and oat cream. How's that for a breakfast? Decadent or what? I'm going to do at least one thing decadent this week, and that will be it. I have been taken to boiling water in the kettle first thing, filling it up completely and then putting it in the hot flask, and it keeps the hot water hot so that by the time hubby comes down, I don't have to boil the kettle again and waste energy. Already done. He just has to pour it. That's about it. I've been keeping up with the washing until this week with all the busyness, and there's a mountain, so I shall tackle that. I didn't even greet you properly when we started. So it's a hello and a goodbye from me. And a thank you so much for all the comments that people make when they watch the videos. I really appreciate it. And until I've got my experience up on that editing program, and thank you so much to Cindy from Simple Life Portugal for suggesting DaVinci Resolve. I got the DaVinci Resolve 18, and it is pretty complicated for somebody like me, but I will learn how to use it. So thank you. You really help, Cindy. It's weird to have somebody with the same name as myself and saying it. But anyway, all right, folks, I've got to go. Lots to do, and I shall speak to you again next week. Next week is a craft week, so I'll update you on the crafts then, but I will be posting short little clips like this as and when I can until I learn how to use that editing software better. Take care, folks. See you next time. Bye-bye.